So let's talk about search. For most of us, it's muscle memory at this point. You have a question, you pull out your phone, you open a browser, you type it into that little white box. It's the front door to basically the entire internet. Need to know the score of the game last night? You search for it. Trying to figure out the best recipe for chocolate chip cookies? You search for it. Settling a debate with a friend about who directed that one movie from 2012? You search for it. We do this dozens, maybe even hundreds of times a day without even really thinking about it. It's become so baked into our daily lives that it's almost invisible, just a seamless extension of our own curiosity. This simple act has powered the internet as we know it for over 2 decades. It's the foundation. Companies like Google built an empire on top of that one simple interaction. You ask a question, and they give you a list of potential answers. It's a beautifully simple system that has worked incredibly well for a very long time. Think about how much knowledge is just a few taps away because of this. Learn a new skill from a YouTube video. Find a local business in seconds. Diagnose that weird noise our car is making. Let's do a quick rewind. For as long as most of us have been using the internet, search has worked in a very specific way. You type your query, say, how to fix a leaky faucet, and the search engine, almost always Google, scours the web in a fraction of a second. It uses a complex algorithm to rank billions of web pages. It ranks by relevance. It ranks by authority. It ranks by hundreds of other secret signals. What you get back is the iconic blue list of links, a page of 10 results. Each result has a title. Each result has a short description. All of them are competing for your attention and your click. This model is essentially a directory. The search engine points you to websites it thinks have the answer. Imagine a librarian who doesn't read the answer, but hands you a stack of 10 books. The answer is probably in one of these. Your job, click through the links, scan the pages, hit the back button a few times, piece together the information you need. You might open a few tabs, compare different articles, compare videos. Eventually you find what you're looking for. This system created an entire ecosystem. Now enter the new guard. We're talking about ChatGPT, Gemini, and the AI features now being integrated directly into search engines themselves, versus an AI search result that gives a direct summarized answer at the top. This is a completely different ballgame. Instead of giving you a list of links, the directory of potential answers, these AI models are designed to give you the answer directly. They are synthesizers. They read and process information from all over the web, just like a human would. Then they formulate a single, cohesive answer specifically for you. It's a massive paradigm shift, from "here are some places to look" to "here is the answer." Think back to our leaky faucet example. You ask an AI search tool the same question. Instead of a list of 10 links to DIY blogs and plumbing websites, you get a neat step-by-step guide right there on the search page. Step 1, turn off the water supply. Step 2, use a wrench to loosen the packing nut. Step 3, it might even include a list of tools you'll need. It has done the work for you. It has visited those 10 websites. It has read the articles. It has summarized the most important information into a direct, easy-to-digest format. So, if the AI gives you the answer directly on the search page, what's the one thing you're probably not going to do? Click. This is the core of the problem for a huge part of the internet. People call it the click-through apocalypse. Zero-click search. Old model, send you somewhere else. New model, keep you right where you are. Every time an AI gives a perfect, complete answer, it prevents a click to an independent site. Multiply that by billions of searches and you see the scale. Content creators had a simple value exchange with Google. They create high-quality content. Google sends them traffic. That traffic is their lifeblood. Recipe blog pays its writers. Tech review site funds product testing. Small online store finds customers. The AI breaks this contract. It scrapes creators' content. It synthesizes and presents it as its own, often with no compelling reason for users to click the original. Creator does the work. Search engine reaps the attention. Imagine a travel blogger who spent a week in Kyoto and wrote a 3,000-word guide. Now the AI lists the 15 things right in search results, with a tiny link to the source at the bottom. So, where does this all go from here? It's 2025 and we're at a major crossroads. The old internet, the list of 10 blue links, is on its way out. AI-generated answers are just too convenient for users. The future of search will be more conversational, more direct, and far less about sending users to third-party sites. We're moving from a web of pages to a web of data. AI becomes the ultimate intermediary, aggregating info from everywhere. For businesses and creators, this is a painful but necessary adaptation. The game isn't just SEO and clicks anymore. It's about new ways to reach an audience. Newsletters, social media community platforms create content. AI can't easily summarize. Unique experiences, deep dive video analysis, interactive tools, strong opinionated perspectives become a destination brand. People type by name. One thing is certain, that little white search box is changing, and it's taking the rest of the web with it.